I wanted to study biology, especially zoology. But at this time, there was not very big chance to do research, especially in the field of biochemistry. That was relatively primitive at this time, what one could do. And so I also wanted, in addition, to do something for the animals. So that was the reason I studied veterinary medicine. I was working also in bacteriology, microbiology, pathology, diagnostic microbiology, but and also I did a thesis in microbiology, in everything at the University of Bern. But I found then out that only work in a laboratory that would be not sufficient, and because originally I wanted to study biology, especially zoology. I looked for a situation where I could also do experimental work, do much biochemistry. So I was coming between 69 and 71 to the University of Pennsylvania. And then I had the possibility to work in bovine leukemia research, and especially also on metabolic diseases, especially milk fever and ketosis. And that at this time is a very famous group. It's a group of David Kronfeld, Pat Meyer, and Charlie Ramberg. And that was basically my start into the field of animal physiology, animal nutrition. And then I had the possibility to be from there, from 71 to 85 at the Federal Institute of Technology, where I did very much research, especially on calcium metabolism in the dairy cow, and also more and more on endocrine changes and metabolic changes associated with energy deficiency in dairy cows, but also in growing animals. And when I was getting a position in 85 at the University of Bern as a professor of nutrition pathology mainly, and later on also in physiology. That was at the time when the whole field of growth hormone, IGFs and so on became important. And so that was the main field I was working in. And more, then also on neonatal animals, especially neonatal cows. So I was interested in the whole complex of, let's say, lactation, milk production, especially colostrum, ingestion of colostrum, ingestion of milk-fed animals, and also on feed on growing animals. One thing which is a challenging problem that are the animal protection issues. Transport, for example, of animals, that is an unresolved problem. So the whole field of animal protection, I think, needs to be much improved. Also, we have already made much progresses. Another field is, of course, the problem of the very, very high production levels in dairy cows, and also the extremely intense growth performances in many animals, especially in poultry, but not only. And I think animal science, the whole animal science field has to deal in future much more with such issues. For me, it was always enormously important to have collaborations, especially with American scientists. It is, even if you have a good laboratory, it's almost impossible to have all the different methods set up. So in combination with other people, you can much better solve scientific problems.